Nikki, aka Spice Cinderella. For today's video, it's gonna be another haul. Gastos again, but apparently hindi ganun kamahal. Joke lang, medyo pricey pa rin pala. Anyway, I went online thrifting for the past month. And I've also been into sewing. Like, bumili ako ng sewing machine sa Shopee. And then, yung mga clothes ko na luma or like my brothers na binigay niya sa akin, I've been flipping them. So, if you guys follow me on Instagram, actually, sino-story ko siya lagi na yung clothes ko before, fin-flip ko to make them into like a crop top or ina-adjust ko lang yung basta yung itsura ng damit. So, right now, I'm gonna show you guys the clothes that I've thrifted. Most of these, I bought from Shopee and also Instagram shops. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. So for the first part of the video, I'm gonna show you guys first the items na binili ko sa Shopee. So madali lang naman siya. Like, so search mo lang naman sa Shopee, dun sa taas, pre-loved. For example, ako, pre-loved top, pre-loved skirt. So, ayan, lalabas na yung mga ukay, binili nila, na meron sila. And then, here right now, ipapakita ko, nothing more than 200 pesos. Let's say yung pinakamura I got for 80 pesos. Maganda naman yung items, really fit me well. May some lang talaga na nakita ko na maganda, but sure hindi siya flattering enough. So, ginawa ko, flip ko din sila. So, right now, I'm gonna show you guys some of the items na I bought from Shopee, pre-loved clothes. Before proceeding, actually, binibenta ko din yung pre-loved stuff ko sa Shopee. You guys can find me at Nikki Rex there. And then, I'm just selling some of my stuff there. If you guys wanna buy some things for me, check it out. So, for the first item that I got from Shopee, I have here a very cute white top. And what I like about this top is that it has this tie over here na kapag pinul ko, masisikip yun dito. Like, not really masikip, but it gives you a shape, kumbaga. And then, akala ko nung una malaki to sa akin. Apparently, it's not. Fit siya sa body ko. And then, gusto ko dito the details. Like, if you guys can see, merong crystal here. Super, I think, cute if I partner it with a skirt or just simply shorts. Yeah, I think, yeah, sobrang ganda niya. So, next item that I got from Shopee is this long sleeve polo type. I'm not actually sure kung original to because I think I got it for 130. Ralph Lauren top. This, guys, tignan nyo to. It's pink! I was actually planning, nung binili ko siya, like, yung idea talaga is ika-crop ko na siya. But I ended up not doing that. Kasi nung sinukat ko, ang ganda ng itsura niya. Like, yung style niya mismo as a polo shirt. Gusto ko siya. So, probably, gawin ko na lang siya shirt dress, yun nga. Or, itatop in ko na lang siya sa mga bottoms na meron ako, like pants, ganyan. Or I can probably also tie it around my waist to make it more flattering. Next, I had here some tops na binili ko din sa Shopee. Lili! Next, I'm gonna show you guys other tops na binili ko din sa Shopee. But this time, ito yung tipong nung sinukat ko, hindi siya maganda. So what I did, I flipped them. And I'm gonna show you guys the before and after pictures. Nung kinukunan ko siya, sabi ko, I'm gonna be like Ashley best dressed with all that thrift flip shit. Pero, sobrang tiyaga. I think, hindi ko kaya yung responsibility to film a video for a day. Grabe. Kasi first of all, I don't have the patience. Second, I don't have the equipment to do that kasi I'm only just using a phone. So, mag-lobat yun kapag tinuloy ko yun. And next, I just really don't have the patience to shoot the whole day. The first one that I'm gonna show you guys is this baby top. It's a leopard top. Ooh, so, ano nga ang ginawa ko dito? Parang ang, wow. It's actually a cardigan talaga. Like, long sleeve siya. So, what I did was I cut the extra sleeve. And then, ginawa ko lang siya shirt. Yan. Kasi maliit siya sa akin. So, sabi dun sa Shopee nung binili ko, small. I think small for kids siya pala. Tapos kinukat ko siya, hindi siya kasya sa shoulders ko, hindi siya makapasok sa arm ko. So, I figured na baka pag kinot ko, kasya na siya. So, ayun nga. So, nung kinot ko siya, kasya na siya right now, except I can't really button it up. So, I'm just gonna have that forma na there's an inner top and then papatong ko na lang siya. Which is actually cute because I really like the print. I also love how, yan, ewan ko, chic lang yung dating niya. Gusto ko siya. I love it. I love this one. This part also here sa baba. Kaya gusto ko rin siya. Ayan. The next item na binili ko sa Shopee, flip ko din siya. Etong top na to! I mean, come on. Sobrang cute ng blue niya. It's silk. Sobrang ganda. And gusto ko yung detail to. Yan. And as mentioned previously sa videos ko, gusto ko yung pag tinatay dito sa shoulder. And I have it all here. Like, grabe. And then, I love this part also of the baby top. Actually, at first, mahaba to. So, ginawa ko, flip ko siya and it became like this.
Yan, pinag-diblet ko lang lahat. Pero, inikot ko lang siya kumbaga. Yan. Gupit. Gupit ko yung gitna. So, gagawin naman natin right now is ikutin natin siya. So, yung excess tela nandito. Gawin natin, tatahiin natin yan together. Ayan.
Right now, instead of that long-ass, unflattering shape for this top, crop top na siya. And eto, naging cute pa lalo, mas naging kita yung area na to. And I think yun yung pinakamaganda sa top na to this part. Probably for this one, I'm just gonna wear high-waisted jeans or high-waisted skirts. Perfect. Sobrang ganda. Blue. I think bagay sa akin yung blue recently. Then, the last item na I got from Shopee. Ito lang yung only bottom na meron ako for this haul. It is this skirt. Just a pencil skirt. But, kung makikita nyo, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng patches ni here. Di ko nga alam kung paano niya ginawa to. Yun no, parang tinahi niya yun, yung design. And sobrang ganda lang talaga ng details. Gusto ko ngayon yung mga bottoms na hindi mo maintindihan kung ano yung nangyayari. I think, pasok to dun sa category na yun. Guys, ang ganda. Next items I'm gonna show you guys. Ito, hindi na to galing Shopee. Ito na yung mga items na flinip ko here at home na meron na ako. Like, I own. Before pa, mas flinip ko lang. First item I'm gonna show you guys is this. It was a dress. It was a summer dress. Pero sobrang ikli niya kasi. So, literally, di ko din siya nasusuot as a dress. Ngayon, crop top ko siya. And I think right now, mas masusuot ko na siya. I made it as a halter top and also a crop top. Next item that I got naman is this one. Ta-da! It was a dress na I only wore for a report sa college before. Pero gusto ko yung upper part niya. Gusto ko yung design na ganito sa damit. Therefore, is to cut lang ulit yung bottom part ng dress and to make it a crop. And easy to partner it with any type of clothing. The next item naman din, napapakita ko one of the proudest output of my creativity. Taray! Yung cardigan na to, galing to sa kuya ko. He doesn't wear it anymore, so he gave it to me. It's for men kasi talaga. And so, yung kapit niya sa katawan, hindi ko siya gusto for me. What I did right now is, again, I cropped the item. I made sure na yung lower part over here, kasama pa rin siya dun sa cardigan natin. So right now, it's a crop cardigan. Mukha siyang schoolgirl vibe. You have the schoolgirl vibe. What I did, just like dun sa blue top, flinip ko lang din siya, then tinahi ko over here. I just made sure na malinis tingnan. So, makikita nila, sabi nila, wow, parang hindi din to trinif, parang binili, ganun. Lastly, we're now on to the last 3 items na I got. Ito, binili ko lang siya sa Instagram shop. I forgot the name of the Instagram shop. Pero I bought 3 tops from that shop mismo. And guilty ako na gusto ko yung baggy kind of top. Tapos may garter sa gitna. First item that I'm gonna show you guys is this one that I'm wearing. Hindi ko siya kasi first crop top siya. And maganda yung tela. Yung brand nito, Denim Lab. Gusto ko yung design over here. Simply I bought this top kasi gusto ko yung color niya and gusto ko din yung design over here. Ganda kaya ng design. Matagal na ako naghanap ng ganito, like yung vest din. Pero wala akong mahanap. So, the moment na nakita ko tong merong hindi pa sold, binili ko na agad. So, same concept ng top, different design lang. Gusto ko yung color ng color. Same lang dito sa stripes na meron sa loob. So, it's blue and stripes. Ngayon, yung pinaka-favorite ko dito sa top na to is yung button. Ganda ng button niya. Ayan, this is the second top from that shop. Tada! Ang ganda! Itsura nito. Like, wow. Pero ang downside lang dito, sobrang crop niya pala. I guess I just really need to wear something very high. Okay na rin, gusto ko yung design niya. It's kappa. So, meron din siya dito sa likod. Ganyan, which I like. Ang ganda. Gusto ko yung number 9 dito. Gusto ko din yung color na purple, black and purple. Tapos maganda din yung button. And this one, yung ano naman design to. Gusto ko siya. Makes me look like I'm very stylish. Kumbaga. So yeah, that is it for my online thrift haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Medyo bitin. Feeling ko bitin yung video na to. Pero yeah, showed about 15 items. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing, enjoyed watching. Ako sa inyo, kung wala pa kayong hobby during this quarantine, give sewing a chance. Ano, gusto ko lang siya. Like, nag-enjoy ako while doing it. Medyo nakaka-stress sometimes kasi hindi ko ma-figure out the mathematics of that. Like, yeah. So, kung meron man kayong stuff at home na hindi nyo na masuot, pero gusto nyo pa, i-flip nyo din. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below kung ano pa yung other things na gusto nyo makita from me. This has been Nikki, aka Spy Cinderella. See you guys in my next video. Bye!